You're watching Aciero and today I'm back again with an unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox some makeup I purchased in Paris at the Dolce Gabbana counter. So I'm very happy to present to you my lovely first favorite purchase. I just put on this lipstick a few seconds ago. The color you see on my lips is this lipstick. It's called Dolce Gabbana and I am in love with my Dolce Gabbana. The thing is with this Dolce Gabbana, it's got me believing that matte lipstick can also work for me. I have been longing. Every time I go to a makeup counter and I try on matte lipstick, it never works for me. I'm always disappointed that it just, makes my face very dull and not shiny. And I love shiny lips and with colored. And the other thing is I have a two-tone lip, so I always need a lipstick that has some coverage, very thick coverage, so that it covers both of the tones, so that I don't look like I'm wearing two colors of lipsticks on my lips, because sometimes some of you think I'm wearing two colors because one lip is maybe lighter than the other or something, but it's not because of that. It's because I have a two-tone lips. It's sometimes sexy and sometimes it's not. So for me to find a lipstick that really goes with my lips is very difficult, but I'm so happy with the Dolce Gabbana. It's covering and it's very beautiful. The color is really nice and it's matte. And it's a matte that doesn't really look like matte, it doesn't shine, but it also gives you like this nice finish that is very whew, I don't know, I can't explain it. I'm in love. I think it goes for 35 or 36 euros. So the other thing I picked up from the store is the Perfect Mono eyeshadow, and it's color royal blue, and this royal blue has been lovely too. I love it. It's one of the limited editions that were, I think, being sold this seasonal collection from the Christmas season, and it's royal blue and it's very beautiful. And if you want to check out the looks I've created with both this and the lipstick, check out my Instagram and you'll find out how I look with the lipstick and the eyeshadow combined together. And I also bought something that's not really new to the collection. I bought an eye pencil, and this pencil could also be used as an eyeshadow or an eyeliner, and it's color number 3, and it's called Peacock. And this Peacock is really nice. I think the color is not exactly like the royal blue, but it's similar to the royal blue. Other product I purchased last, and I think it's the last product, last but not least, but it's the last I purchased. It's not the last product I purchased in Paris, but it's the last product I purchased at the Dolce Gabbana counter, and that's the blush. And I think it's the Tropical Core. It's called Tropical Core, and that's very beautiful for dark skin. At least my complexion, I have a complexion that's between very dark and chocolate, so it's very difficult to find colors that match my skin. So when I find a color that works for me, I stick with it. I remember the first time I bought these two, I think 2 years ago. I went to Paris and bought myself this blush when I was there. I'd never believed in blush before, but when this girl at the Dolce Gabbana counter did my cheeks and told me, I think she thought blush was something for me. She tried on this color called Tropical Coral, and she convinced me that this color was really a perfect color for me. I was not doubtful because I went home with a smile on my face and I still wear the same blush, but it was apparently over, so I decided to purchase a new one and a new eyeliner, not eyeliner but a new pencil to use as an eyeliner. And also to the Dolce Gabbana collection I added my Mono Perfect cream eyeshadow and the Dolce Gabbana lipstick, which I'm in love with at the moment. So for most of you who have been wondering what and where I have been and what I am doing with my makeup, I have been looking for a new look to show you on Instagram when I'm posing for all those photos with the scarves and all looking all great. So stay tuned for more, photos on Instagram, and also stay tuned for videos here where I will be and you'll see me wearing this collection. Maybe not all of it, but I'll be wearing the lipstick, that's for sure. And if you are wondering and have questions about these products and where you can buy them, please leave that in the comments below. And if you have any queries or anything you want to add on this, please leave that also in the comments below. I'll be able to respond to your comments, so do not worry about the response. I will respond. And the other thing is, if you are new here, I'm happy that you've joined us for the first time, and thanks for watching. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching and thank you for the support. You are always welcome, and send me emails, and I'll be able to answer everything and leave everything down below if you have anything you want to inquire. And I hope you enjoyed. That was it, and stay tuned for more, and stay tuned for me showing you all these nice makeup looks. I hope to see you soon, and next